My man, get over here. Get to me now. Come to smoke. Hurry up. Come to me. Hurry up.
I'm coming.
Not you. You stay sight. Now listen. When I say, this is my rifle, this is my gun, you say, this is for firing, this is for fun. Let's try it. This is my rifle, this is my gun.
This is for firing, this is for fun.
Alright. Let's do this. This is my rifle, this is my gun. Okay, it didn't say it, whatever. Vigil, go back to sight. Fuck. God damn it. I have diffuser, it should come down to me. Just let me hear though. Bro. Whatever, just hold sight then.